YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 728 back with another video. I know I've been missing for a while, but hey, your boy's back. Got some goodies today in the mail from your favorite place, that's Amazon. Got me some things for the GTI. Like I said, I told y'all I was gonna do some stuff to the car, man. Y'all didn't believe me. Now this is minor, this ain't nothing major. I'm not finna gas y'all up with like, oh, best mod ever. I should have done this a long time ago. Why didn't I? You know, I'm not finna do you like that. Anyway, let's get in the whip. You know how we do, man. It's 9,000 degrees, so you gotta let it air out first, man. Woo, go ahead and let's hop in the ride. And that heat takes a lot out of you. Let's get a little start up real quick. Kind of quiet. Sometimes this thing be going ham. Get some air conditions. Woo. Man, I really need to get this car cleaned. It's so dirty in here, man. I don't even want to show y'all. It's embarrassing. All right, so if you look here, you will see your typical GTI steering wheel. You know, I don't really have any complaints on it, but there are some things that I want to be a little bit better. You will see this guy, the little paddle shifter. Now, it is in a good spot. You can always hit it, you know, no matter what. But I wanted something a little bit more pronounced. Something that'll let people know, you know, you got the DSG. So, I don't know, focus. It don't want to focus. All right, so I'll stay right here. So you can see they're in a good spot, but they're plastic. Now, the thing I do like about them is at nighttime, they light up, which is pretty cool. But they're just kind of small. They're kind of tiny. The steering wheel itself, you know, I got the flat bottom, and it's got these aluminum, you know, accents and stuff like that. It took me a while. I was really trying to figure out which style I wanted because this car does have red accents in the interior, and then at nighttime, these turn red, and the door sills down there turn red. So it's really cool, you know, all the red stitching and, you know, the plaid seats. Got the red stitching here, red stitching here, you know, red stitching here, and then, of course, on the steering wheel.
It's enough to get me to the boiling point.
You know, I was trying to figure out if I wanted red or if I wanted maybe some carbon fiber ones. But I ultimately decided to go ahead and get these because, you know, Amazon, they were on the good old Prime special. I can get these quickly. You know, I'm impatient, y'all, so boom. And these look pretty badass. And you can't miss these on the steering wheel. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these and see what I think of them. I'll be right back.
1 hour later.
All right, y'all, so this is the after pic here. So right away, you can tell massive difference. Now, there's some things that I like and I don't like about this setup. The installation was fairly straightforward. I only had an issue with the right paddle here. This little screw that's supposed to tighten down over the stock paddle. They didn't drill this one in correctly, so that one just kind of spins and it wasn't tightening it down. So I don't know how long that's going to last. I could just, you know, get some 3M double-sided tape and go that route, which I'll probably do later on. But these things are actually they're not heavy, but they're bigger than what I thought they were going to be. So maybe the 3M tape plus this will be necessary, but the screws seem like they'll hold it in just fine. The thing that I really like about it is I can hold the wheel down here and I can still get this paddle, you know, on both sides. And then of course I got the standard, and then of course up here you can still click from up here and over here as well. So I'll definitely be driving around with these and see how I like them over time, see if they flop off or what have you. But they weren't, you know, expensive or anything, so I figured I'd go ahead and get them and put them on here, and just, man, it does change up the wheel, the look of the wheel a whole lot. So, you know, driving around with these with the damn Batman ears.
Now I'm a bat.
That looks pretty damn clean, y'all. So I'll see, you know, see if I'll keep these on here or not. Maybe go for a different color later on in the future or not. But hey, like I said, I'm getting started on these mods, y'all. Definitely liking the feel on these. I wish I had the McLaren set up where I can get a downshift from either side, you know. Yeah. And I appreciate you watching this video. If you like, man, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to your boy 728 Autos here on YouTube. I make dope content all the time. And that's it for this video, y'all. Peace out.